Yes, I'm Roman, and today we'll be discovering some Jamaican superstitions. Let's go. Before we start this list, let me first explain that these superstitions are what I grew up hearing as a child. Number one, pointing on a grave. As a child growing up, I would never dare to point on a grave because it was believed that if you were to point on a grave, then your finger would rot. However, if you perhaps pointed on a grave mistakenly, there was something specific that you should say. God cross off my finger. In other words, I think God protect my finger. I'm not really sure. Number two, washing your face with rice water. It was believed that if you were to wash your face with rice water, then you would be able to see ghosts, spirits. Even though I was skeptical of this, I still didn't dare to try it because I didn't want it to be true. Number three, rolling calf. A rolling calf is simply a calf. It's a ghost in the form of a calf or a cow. Based on what I was told, a rolling calf is formed from a butcher, someone who has been a butcher for too many years. Therefore, it's recommended that after a certain number of years, you stop being a butcher. And the rolling calf is described differently for each person. It's said to have the head of a bull, flaming eyes, and there's a bell, so that's how you know when it's coming. Number four, mermaid. I was often told that if you ever saw a comb by the river, you should never pick it up because it belongs to a mermaid. And once you take it up, then she will lower you into the water and you will never be seen again. Number five, standing under a cotton tree. When I was younger, I was told that the spirits of the dead slaves are often found under cotton trees, particularly on Independence Day and Emancipation Day. However, I don't know how many cotton trees I've even seen in my life, so I wasn't too fearful of that one. Number six, as a male, if you were to miss a loop in your pants, then it means that your partner is cheating on you. And that is our video for today. Question: what are some superstitions that you know of? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.